Welcome to an enlightening journey through the third eye chakra, the Enya chakra, the center of our intuition, clarity, and higher wisdom. This tutorial we explore how to use the Enya chakra's energy to enhance our songwriting through the art of the free play. The Enya chakra, also known as the third eye, is located between our eyebrows, and it swings and radiates in a deep indigo blue. The spiritual essence of this chakra is that it's for higher perception, recognizing illusions and patterns. The organs is the hypothalamus, for example, and the themes about this chakra are perception, discernment, intuition, incitement, wisdom, clarity, vision, and fantasy. So these are really strong things where we can build up songs with it. And we start first with the frequency of this chakra after Hans Cousteau's cosmic octave, and the frequency is 221.23 hertz. It's the Venus tone, and it's in the key of A, and it's symbolizing feminism, enhancing our intuitive and creative side. And playing music in this frequency can open pathways to a deeper awareness and artistic expression. So if you just want to relax and heal yourself, tune each string in this frequency 221.23. Otherwise, this chakra is vibrating and swinging in the note of A. And it doesn't matter if it's A minor or A major. Also, you can play the A major scale. A major scale is A, B, C sharp, D, E, F sharp, and G sharp. And the A minor scale is A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. Okay, so what you can do first, I start with A minor. Like I did in the beginning. And do an easy finger picking, and then I hopped into the A minor scale and just using a few notes. You can play also the whole scale with it. Whatever you prefer. Also, you can play the A major chord, which is more enlightening and brighter. And also can play the A major scale. have to really excuse today myself, but my pain doesn't let me really control my fingers. I hope you forgive me. I just want to give you inspiration and inspiring you what you can do with just knowing, okay, I want to empower my perception or my wisdom or my clarity. I can go through just playing one chord like the A major or A minor chord, playing a scale, or doing finger picking or doing chord melody, and jump on this spirit and this feelings when you play the scale or just the chord, or you do strumming or finger picking. Is there anything touching you, reach something your mind, and then you can go ahead and create through intuitive art, to inspiration and intuitive reactions through your body, mind and soul. And this is the purpose of the free play. So remember, the purpose and the atmosphere of the third eye is the gateway to our inner wisdom, the spiritual insight, and it's helping us to see beyond the physical realm and recognize patterns of truth. So it also creates, especially for me with A minor, an atmosphere of tranquility, clarity, introspection in your music, and it's inviting our listeners into a deep reflection of spiritual connection. So play your A minor, A major, only the scale or strum chords and do chord melody. Integrate the healing frequency of the Enya chakra in your musical practice. Embrace your intuition, clarity, and higher vision. Let your voice and music become conducive for authenticity, bridging the inner and outer world with every chord and every scale you play. Allow your intuition to guide your songwriting journey, creating melodies that resonate with deeper truths and the wisdom of your soul. And in your free play session, explore the depths of your inner vision and let your creativity flow without constraints and reflections. Just let your personal truth go universal. So anyway, I hope this tutorial gave you a little tip or a little touch how to work different with songwriting and listen to your heart, listen to your body, mind and soul, and be a creator. If you want to have more detailed information about this chakra and how to play the chord, gonna be my Patreon to download the PDF or wait for my second book, through the songwriting through the art of the free play, and then you have a complete Bible how to work out your new style and art of making music. Love you. See you for the next tutorial. Doña.